Using my hands for good. Sometimes I feel big feelings at school. I might want to hit or break things, but I can learn new ways to handle these feelings. My hands are important. They can do so many things, like writing, drawing, playing games, or giving high fives. When I feel mad or upset, it's okay to feel that way. Feelings are not bad. Instead of hitting or breaking things, I can use my hands to hold a stress ball or squishy toy. I can draw or write about my feelings or raise my hand to ask for help. I can also use my words to tell a teacher or a friend how I feel. I can say, I'm feeling mad, or I need a break. If I feel like I want to hit or break something, I can take a deep breath and count to 5. I can also go to a quiet spot to calm down. When I use my hands for good, I feel proud, and my teachers and friends are happy too. I can make a school a safe and happy place for everyone, including me.